In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create on free account in Postman. Using this free account, you can do many things. So I already installed Postman on my computer or Mac computer. So I'm going to open it from here, Postman. And if we open Postman, then if we don't sign in, then we'll find this type of features is there. Unlock Postman with an account. And here it is showing what are the features it will offer. So you can save and share the collections, they collect then you can like work with other people and some other things. So basically it's very good idea or good decision if you try to sign up it freely. So it's completely free, you don't need to pay, so why not? So you can sign up or create the account in Postman very easily. You can either click this button or you can directly come to this website postman.com, and then there is a sign up for free this button. Both options are the same, so you can either click here or click there. So I prefer this option because it's easy to do. So I'm going to click sign up for free, and here it is opening the browser, and here it is asking create Postman account, and here a couple of the settings are there. I'm going to use my email address, which is hello FewSteps at gmail.com, not Gmail, this iCloud account. So hello FewSteps, this one, and this is username, and we need to type on a strong password. So I just typed on a strong password, and then after that we just need to press this button create free account, and very shortly you will see our account will be created successfully, and it will give us on 6-digit code on our email. So let's check the email whether we got that code or not. I'm going to click mail applications, and here I see this is the Postman team, and this mail came, and this is the code. So I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it over here, and then I'm going to press verify account, this button, and very shortly we'll see like this open Postman, this thing. So HTTP and something is there. So basically it will configure our logging in Postman. So I'm going to press this open Postman button, and very shortly we'll see our Postman will automatically open like this. Now here it will ask you some of the details like what is my name, something like that. Okay, so I'm going to type name like FewSteps, and then my role. So you can choose any of this role, anything is fine. So I'm using backend developer, or you can use any other option, then press the continue button, and it will be configured properly. And here it is giving me some option. These are paid version, I'm not interested any of them, so I'm going to use this option continue with free plan. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it is showing set up your team. So team name, okay, like this. And you can if you want to invite some other people or other friend or your team, you can also add those email address, their email address basically. But I'm not going to add anything. I'm going to press the continue button, and very shortly it is showing hi FewSteps, I'm the Postman AI powered agent, and something is there. So here you can just ignore it, or you can close it. You can also close this thing also, and now try to open Postman again. So I'm going to double click the Postman, and now we'll see that I already logged in on my account, and that's it. In this way we can easily sign up the free Postman account, and we can use this account for everywhere, like both the application and also in the browser also.